Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can customize watermark in your Samsung A04S. So I'll just start to open the camera app, then go to the settings by this little gear icon and tap on the watermark. Not on the switcher but on the function. Now just switch it on, and how you can see there you have a few options to edit. You can change the model name and add your own text. You can also add a date and time, or change the photo or the place of your watermark. Now you can go back to the camera, take a photo, and check the difference. You can see this is our watermark, and this is the default one. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment. Remember to visit our channel, and goodbye.